Guardian recently did some roof work for me that was really badly needed. I'd noticed that I had water leaking in some spots it wasn't supposed to be leaking in, and it was getting some of the fascia boards on my house damp. I called them to come take a look and give me an estimate. The person who came out was so knowledgeable and professional. He went up on the roof with a video camera and then came in and showed me everything that was going on up there, explained what needed to be fixed. He had examples of all the materials that would be used and explained why they were the best for the job. And then he also inspected my chimneys, one of which was okay, one of which did not have a cap on it, and so there was damage to the bricks, and his video showed how the bricks some of them were loose, very unsafe. And fortunately, Guardian can do all those things. I didn't have to call in any other contractors. The teams always came when they said they were coming. They were very nice and professional. They cleaned up. They did an excellent cleanup job every time, every crew. Yeah, so I'm very happy and satisfied with the work that was done. And I would highly recommend Guardian Roofing to my family and friends.